Oh, a little girl. Getting ready to eat. Just changed her clothes. She weighs 7 pounds. She weighs 7 pounds. Oh, she sees the camera strap. You know it's almost time to eat, don't you?
And you're wide awake. Good.
What's that face? What is that face?
That's my scary look. That's my scary look. Okay. Oh, ready to go.
Gonna put the blanket down, Daddy?
Alright.
You're somewhere in here.
Alright. See you in a minute.